Registration in Banner 9 is very easy. Log into Banner 9 through your portal. When you get to the main landing page, make sure that you are prepared for registration. You can click on Prepare for Registration. Select the right term and click on Continue. And if you are cleared for registration and there are no holds, then you're ready to register. You can click on Student to take you back to the main landing page, and you are ready to register. Click on Register for Classes. Select the term that you want to register in and click on Continue. Enter your search criteria. In this case, I'm looking for anthropology and accounting. And I want to add a few more items based on my specific search criteria. When I'm ready to search for classes, I can click on the search button, or I can clear the criteria, or I can click on advanced search for more advanced search options. But I'm ready to move on. So I'll go ahead and click on search. And this is the schedule for classes. You will notice that the schedule is organized by CRN, by subject, and each column can be expanded or shrunk. Course number, the course title. The course title is clickable. It's hyperlinked. If you click on the course title, it gives you a pop-up window that will give you more detailed information for this class. It shows the semester hours, the meeting times for the week, the status of the class as it pertains to the number of seats that remain, and whether or not the class is closed or if there is a wait list. It'll show the campus that this class is being offered. It'll show the name of the instructor. The instructor's name is also hyperlinked if you need to get a hold of the instructor. If the instructional method is relevant, it may list it here. It may list, for example, hybrid. If the class is hybrid, it'll list it. If it has any course attributes, it'll list any course attributes. And this might be appropriate for course attributes for general education. Most of these accounting classes do not earn general education credit, so they don't have course attributes for GE. But I'm still interested in Accounting 201, so I want to click on the Add button under the Add column. And you'll notice that the bottom part of the page expanded. And with Banner 9, it gives you more control over your schedule without having to leave the page to get to your calendar. It's all integrated into the same view. So now you'll be able to see a Sunday to Saturday typical week schedule. On the right hand side, you're going to see the summary. Consider this your checkout bin. Notice that Accounting 201 is in pending status. I have not yet registered. If I want to register, then I can click on Submit on the bottom right hand corner. If I change my mind and I want to remove the class, and I can select Remove and then Submit, and they'll remove the class, but I don't want to do that. And I want to add one more class. So I want to look for Anthropology. So I'm looking for Anthropology. There are several pages I have to go to. So I'll jump over to Anthropology 250. And you'll notice here that for Anthropology 250, the attributes are listed here for general education. In this case, it earns social science credit for the Laverne Experience General Education. I want to add 250, so I'll click on Add. It'll add the class in the summary bin. And if you notice on the schedule of classes, the classes are actually there as well, but they are in pending status, guys, because I have not yet registered. Notice, however, what happens when I do register. Look at the status and also peek at the schedule of classes, and notice what will happen. The pending status will change, and the color of the class within the schedule will change. I will submit to register for these classes. You see the status changed to registered. You'll notice also that the class for fundamental accounting also changed from a gray to a solid green. I would expect Anthropology to also be listed in the schedule of classes. And if I look for it, I'm sure it's in there. I want to focus your attention as well that you can, depending on the size of your monitor, whether you're on a laptop or on a desktop with a large monitor, then you can make room on your same page. You can drag the bottom part of the page to give you more room to view the schedule of classes, to view the summary, or you can click on the dot to reset it. You can bring down the bottom part of the page to give you more room to do class searches. Compared to the banner 8.7 that this replaces, you don't have to go outside of the schedule of classes to view your calendar. It's all integrated in the same view, which is pretty nice. If you want more room, then you can click on the toggle lower panel, or if you want to focus on the bottom panel to focus more on that than on the schedule of classes at the moment, then you can bring that up, or you can click on the dot to reset it. You also have options here in the middle with the toggle left panel, or toggle right panel, or the reset all panels button on in the middle of that bar right here. So that's the way that you search for classes in Banner 9.